Namaskaram to all. Coordinate geometry. So what is coordinate geometry? We have already learnt about coordinate geometry from class 8th onwards. In the class 8th, just plotting the points in the rectangular Cartesian system, and again in class 9 next level how the points are divided, what will be there in first quadrant, what will be there in how the points will be there in first quadrant, how they will be there in second quadrant, like that. Then again the next class, 10th class, we have learnt about distance formula, section formula, and how to find the area of the triangle when the vertices of triangle are given. Fine. Now, so up to this part, so this conceptual, this coordinate geometry concepts will go by assuming that children will be knowing till area of triangle formula finding. So we are entering directly into straight line concept. So in coordinate geometry, we are going to learn about straight lines. So of course, straight line, a line segment, not line segment, a line which is extended indefinitely in both directions. It is the first basic definition. Then in coordinate geometry, it is a coordinate geometry is the combination of algebra and geometry. So on that way, we will say a linear equation in two variables represent straight line. That is the basic thing what we learnt. So linear equation in two variables ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 always represent straight line. Then how many points are there on this straight line, or how many solutions are there for this, means there are infinite number of points which satisfies this straight line equation we learnt, right? And to determine a straight line, only 2 points enough to find a straight line, right? So that one, to draw a straight line also we can see. Okay, now we discuss now here equations of straight line. Okay, so anyway, before going to equations of straight lines, we should know about the concept of slope. Yeah, we will discuss that part. But already which straight lines equation you know? You know equation of x-axis, equation of y-axis, equation of a line parallel to x-axis, equation of a line parallel to y-axis. Shall we recollect? Yes. Suppose x and y coordinates, their point of intersection origin perpendicular. Now positive x, positive y, negative y. Now in every point on the x-axis will be in the form of x comma 0, that is 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, this point is 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0, right? And similarly on the negative side, minus 1 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0, right? So it will be, every point on the x-axis will be in the form of x comma 0, so which implies the y coordinate, ordinate is 0. That means y is equal to 0. That will represent equation of x-axis. Y is equal to 0, equation of x-axis. Similarly, every point on the y-axis will be in the form of 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3. So 0 comma y in general. So our abscissa is becoming 0. That means x is equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis. So even x-axis and y-axis are straight lines? Yes. So we know equation of x-axis y is equal to 0, equation of y-axis x is equal to 0. And even you know equation of a line parallel to x-axis. So you learned the points on the line parallel to x-axis, the y, suppose this is 3. So you will mark this one 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 3, etc. Here minus 1 comma 3, etc. So you can observe that y coordinate is only 3. So y is equal to 3 is a straight line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 3 units, this line. Or in general we can say y is equal to k is a equation of straight line parallel to x-axis. Similarly, x is equal to k is the equation of straight line parallel to y axis. So, what we learnt? Equation of x axis y is equal to 0. So, what equation of straight lines you know? We are writing now. Equation of x axis y is equal to 0. Equation of y axis x is equal to 0. Equation of a straight line parallel to x axis y is equal to k. Equation of a straight line parallel to y axis x is equals to k, right? Okay. Now, other forms of equation of straight lines we will discuss. Before that, we will discuss the concept of slope.